Outstanding design defines the 2009 Mercury Mariner. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.